Good morning, children. Now this is 6th class social studies, 9th lesson, government. What is that, children? Government. So here in the government, two types governments are there. First one is monarchy, second one is democracy. Here democracy again two types: direct democracy, indirect democracy. Okay, children. So direct democracy is in Switzerland. Indirect democracy is in India and USA. What is that? India and USA. So these two countries are following indirect democracy. Again, indirect democracy, two types. First one is parliamentary system. Second one is presidential system. What is that, children? Parliamentary system, presidential system. Government two types: monarchy, democracy. Okay, children. So in the democracy two types: direct democracy, indirect democracy. Direct democracy following by Switzerland, indirect democracy following in India and USA. So this indirect democracy again two types: parliamentary system, presidential system. So here parliamentary system, the legislature is important. Okay, children. So it will answerable to the parliament. For example, India, Britain. What are that? India, Britain. Next, presidential system. In this presidential system, democracy, the legislator, that means not formed from the legislature. Executive is formed by the legislature. Here not formed from the legislator. Who? Executives. Okay. So for example, USA, Britain. Here the executives are formed from the legislature. Here not. For example, USA and Brazil. What is that? USA and Brazil. For example, in this parliamentary system in our country, president is there. Next to PM, Prime Minister, remaining cabinet ministers. So Prime Minister is answerable to the parliament. Okay, children. Next one, he will rule 5 years. Here in presidential system, he has the supreme power. Okay. So that is the difference between parliamentary system and presidential system. Next, children, elections. Okay. So who will go to parliament in parliamentary system and presidential system? The people who will elect by the representatives of the people. Okay, children. So here the representatives will go to the parliament as MPs. Okay. So among them one person elected by the president of concerning country as prime minister and remaining cabinet ministers. So here president, in USA president. So they will rule. What is the tenure? Whether it is 5 years or 4 years. After their tenure, again the freshers will come by the people. They are called representatives. So these all process is conducting by election commission. So the election commission is conducting elections. So who are casting the votes? They are electing some representatives. Okay, children. So that means in democracy, the powers are vested in the hands of the people. Okay, that we must understood. Next one, before independence in our country, the right to vote had only a few communities and a few persons. But after independence, Article 326, according to 326, our Indian government gave right to vote to all citizens of our country. Okay, children, above 18 years. What is that? Above 18 years. Irrespective of their caste, creed, religion, sex, region, whatever it is. If the person above 18 years, the government will give right to vote. Okay, so they will casting their vote in elections to a suitable person. Okay, children. So that is about election commission. So next one, rule of the majority. In democracy system, majority people will rule, children, not minority people. For example, For example, look at two parties are there. One is A party, another one is B party. If the A party will get 100 seats, if the B party will get 30 seats, who will rule the country? Here the majority people who got majority seats, they will rule the country. So that is called majority of the or rule of the majority. So it is following in democracy system, children. Okay. So they are the ruling party. These are the opposition party. Okay, children. Why? Because the opposition party got lower seats. So that's why they cannot form the government. Okay. So who will form the government? Those who got majority, they will form the government. So that's why A is the ruling party, B is the opposition party. Next, children, government at different levels. For example, in democracy, 3 levels important, children. What are that? First one is national level, second one is state level, third one is local level. So in state level, central government is there. For example, in parliament, central government means Narendra Modi. So now at present our prime minister. So that is central government. It will look after all states of our country. Next, state government. State government means how many states are there? Within the state, one government also forming by the parties. Okay, the election commission allow them to conducting elections. Who got majority, they will form the government, state government. For example, our AP, YSRCP formed state government. CM is Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy garu. Okay, children. So that is about state government. That is state level government. Third level is local. Local means local self government. Here local government 3 types, children. First one is district level. Second one is mandal level. Third one is village level. Okay, children. Next, apart from this one, towns and cities also there in our country. Okay. Now I wrote you here. At mandal level, ZPTC chairman. One chairman will elect and ZPTC members also will elect. So these chairman and ZPTC members, they will rule 5 years of the district. They are called representatives in district level. Next, mandal level, children. So here mandal level also, president will elect, MPTC members also will elect. So these all people 5 years they will rule at mandal level. Next, village level, sarpanch will appoint or elect. Ward members also will elect, children, by the people through their utilizing of the vote, right to vote. Okay, children. Next, towns. So here municipalities. If it is municipality, one person will elect as a chairman, remaining are councillors. Next, if it is a big city, mayor will elect, some are corporators also will elect. So this is about the local self-government levels, district level, mandal level, village level. Apart from these 3, towns, municipalities and corporations, cities. Okay, children. So they will rule 5 years. So here state government also 5 years, central government also 5 years to rule. Okay, children. So these all procedure is conducting by the election. They are called election procedure. So conducting by election commissioner. Okay, election commissioner. So next one, children. Direct democracy possible only small populated states or nations. Okay, it is not possible direct democracy in highly populated states or nations. For example, our country, USA, okay, Britain, etc. Why? Because in our country population we know 130 crores at present. So how these all 130 crores people at a time came and electing? Okay, so that is why it is difficult. So that's why we are conducting elections. So who got victory in that elections? They are called representatives. These representatives will form the government too. Among them, who is the majority party member? Okay, children. So that is about democracy system. This democracy, direct democracy, indirect democracy. In the indirect democracy, again two types: parliamentary and presidential system. Next one, elections. Elections are conducted by election commission. Okay, according to article 326, our government gave right to vote those who cross 18 years above. Okay, children. Next, rule of the majority. Here, who will form the government? Who got majority? They only form the government. Okay, who got lesser majority? They are rule opposition party. Okay, children. In the parliament also, and also in state assemblies. Next to national level, state level, local level. Okay, children. So local level, these are the stages. Now, children, I want to show you some pictures in detail. Look, children, this picture once. So this is direct democracy in Switzerland. Look, all people gathered at one place to making laws, because that population is low in Switzerland. So that is why it is possible. Next, children, elections. So here this picture is election. Conducting elections are very important to the big populated countries. Next, children, look at democracy. Here two types: direct democracy and indirect democracy. So here direct democracy, following example Switzerland. So look, voters, people, so enough. So people, voters, laws and rules. Next, to look at this indirect democracy, following India, USA, England. Laws, rules. Who will make laws, rules? Elected representatives. These elected representatives come from voters. Look that. People, those who crossed 18 years, they are utilizing votes. They are called voters. So these voters will elect representatives. These representatives will make laws and rules. It is indirect democracy. But in direct democracy, all people votes. Next to making laws and rules. This is following in Switzerland, because it is direct democracy. Okay, children. So that is your lesson. Next one, parliamentary system, presidential system. Here parliamentary system, I said, look, executives are legislatures, executives, parliamentary system. Executives goes as like this. But here presidential, executives, legislature. The executives are not responsible to legislature, but here executives are responsible to legislature. So that is. Next, children, look this world map. Look this world map. Presidential system, parliamentary system. So look the index. Light blue color is presidential system. Reddish color, parliamentary system. For example, parliamentary. Who following parliamentary system in this world map? What countries are following presidential? What countries following parliamentary? You can identify, children, with the help of index. Okay, children. Thank you.